Here we are again, just me and you, comedian, right? With your blasters, your flashing eye, you should better be prepared because soon your last hour strikes.
I didn't know what I got into. Somehow I can't go back even if I really wanted to. So what more can I do? Here in the end it's just me and you.
But guys like you are always just fools. Come at me, try to kill me with your fancy tools. Let's go, now the room gets chiller. Let's go, just another killer.
Go ahead and just hit me since you're able. We know my determination isn't stable. I'm not even mad because I keep on dying, but I don't even know why I'm trying. This isn't what I want, yet it's what I asked for. Curiosity over all my morals. I took away her perfect happy ending, resetting the world despite the warnings. I am a hate.
But even if I hear you, I won't give up my attack. Can you just not see the truth? Can you not see what this all meant?